In this video we are going to talk about popular blog niches to earn online money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Are you considering starting a blog but aren't sure what topics or niche to focus on? Identifying the most appropriate niche for your blog makes it easier to create engaging content and even earn money online through your blog. A blog is a website that is updated with new pieces of content on a regular basis, most of which are written articles in the case of blogs. These are referred to as posts, and they are displayed in reverse chronological order, with the most recent at the top of the list of posts. Check out our guide on the differences between a blog and an actual website to learn more about the two terms. The first blogs were mostly personal diaries that shared information on a wide range of topics that were of interest to the person who was writing them. Today, blogs are much more than personal diaries. Even today, some blogs operate in this manner. However, a large number of blogs are now focused on specific niches that interest both the blogger and their target audience. You might already have a topic in mind for your blog, or you might be completely blank when it comes to inspiration. All of the niches listed below are excellent choices to experiment with, as long as you choose a topic that you are truly passionate about. These are all large, well-established niches that have been around for a long time and have the potential to generate a substantial amount of revenue. Number 7. Health and fitness. If you're blogging about health and fitness, you'll almost certainly find an audience if you're writing about something that people are interested in. The health and fitness industry is one of the most popular blogging niches, according to Statista. Because it is a lucrative niche, there will be a large number of blogs that will compete with yours for readers' attention. The most straightforward method of developing your voice is to narrow it down to a general area of interest. There are a plethora of possible approaches that you could take: a specific diet, such as paleo, gluten-free, raw food, 5-2, keto, etc. Running, weightlifting, CrossFit, etc. are all examples of specific types of exercise. A specific target audience: women, men, young, old, geeky, and so forth. Homeopathy, acupuncture, wellness are all examples of approaches to health that are unique. Sharing your progress: if you are embarking on a health journey of your own, you could provide readers with an update on your progress as well as any lessons you have learned. Tip: we've compiled a list of the best WordPress themes for CrossFit gyms for your convenience. Several of these could be used for other health or fitness related topics as well, so take a look and see if one of them would be appropriate for your blog. Number 6. Personal finances. We all require financial resources, and many of us wish to increase our earnings, reduce our spending, or increase our savings. A large number of people read personal finance blogs, and there are many different angles and approaches you can take when writing about personal finance. You could write about any of the following topics. Frugality includes money-saving strategies, couponing, and anti-consumerism, among other things. Investing, market predictions, the best index funds, angel investors, and more. Paying down debt, mortgages, student loans, and so on. Budgeting software, motivation, and cost-cutting strategies are all discussed here. The practice of sharing your progress is quite common among blogs that are devoted to debt relief. Number 5. Fashion. Fashion blogging is another extremely popular blogging niche that has the potential to generate significant income. Those who enjoy posting on Instagram, which is where some fashion bloggers have gained prominence, will find it to be an especially good fit. Many fashion blogs are centered on the blogger and feature a large number of photographs. It is unlikely that this type of fashion blogging will appeal to those who prefer to remain anonymous or who dislike being photographed. Instead, you might want to write a blog post about a specific fashion trend or share fashion-related news with your readers. Despite the fact that most people associate fashion blogging with female bloggers, this is not a gender-specific niche. There are numerous men's fashion blogs, often referred to as men's style, to choose from as well. These tend to be more focused on product recommendations and tips rather than on personal photographs. Number 4. Lifestyle. What exactly is the lifestyle niche in the blogging world? If you're new to blogging, it can be a little confusing, so let's break it down. Writing about a variety of topics that are connected by the fact that they are addressed to the same audience is what lifestyle writing is all about. For example, you might have a lifestyle blog where you write about food, fashion, and motherhood, among other things. What ties this together is the fact that you're writing for women in their 30s and 40s who want to eat well and look great while also raising young children. A lifestyle blog geared towards single women that includes topics such as travel, beauty, and hair would be an alternative option. Alternatively, you could have a blog aimed at men between the ages of 20 and 40 that is all about style, fitness, and music. The topics you choose to cover are entirely up to you, but it is critical that your blog has a distinct brand in order to give it focus and direction. Tip: many fashion WordPress themes and fitness WordPress themes are available. WordPress themes for lifestyle blogs can be a good fit in some cases. Similarly to fashion blogs, design is extremely important in this niche, so if at all possible, invest in a high-end theme. Number 3. Business and marketing. The internet is awash with blogs that cover a wide range of business and marketing-related subjects. After reading a lot about blogging, you might think that every popular blog has something to do with blogging, marketing, or building a business. This isn't necessarily the case. A blog in this niche could be a great idea for someone who has a business or marketing background, so consider starting one today. In the same way that the other niches on our list are large, you'll want to develop a clear focus and voice for your own blog in this one as well. You could write a blog about any of the following topics, depending on your expertise and interests: the marketing of goods and services to other businesses, B2B. Marketing that is directed at consumers, B2C. Entrepreneurship is the process of establishing and growing businesses. Small businesses, as more and more people choose to work for themselves, this is an excellent sector to concentrate efforts. A specific type of marketing or area of marketing, such as networking, social media marketing, copywriting, direct response marketing, and so forth. Tip: almost any of these multi-purpose WordPress themes could be used to create a website for your company or marketing efforts. Divi is a particularly good option because it is fully responsive and can be customized in any way you want. Number 2. Technology and gaming. The fast-paced technology niche is ideal for earning money from affiliate income, which can be generated directly from manufacturers and software companies, or indirectly through a website such as Amazon. Advertising and affiliate marketing are likely to be the most profitable monetization channels for your business. It doesn't matter if you're not writing in-depth product reviews, a technology or gaming blog will provide you with numerous opportunities to promote products or software through affiliate links. Although you may not be able to break industry news or share insider information, there are still a variety of topics you could write about in this field. Specific equipment or gadgets include phone handsets, digital cameras, fitness trackers, Chromebooks, and other similar devices. Games for consoles, PCs, smartphones, and Facebook. Tutorials, either for a specific piece of software, for example, Photoshop, or for a broader range of software. The most recent news is usually about a specific company or type of product. Technology or gaming tailored to a particular demographic, such as teenagers or baby boomers. Number 1. Travel. There are a variety of approaches you could take to build a successful blog in this niche once again, as it is an extremely popular one among bloggers and readers alike. Blogging about your own travels has the potential to earn you money through affiliate links to hotels, recommended travel purchases, and other means. It may even provide you with opportunities to take free vacations. Outstanding photography is undoubtedly an important component of your travel blog. Even if you're just writing about local attractions, people will want to see photos of the places you're writing about. You could narrow the scope of your travel blog by writing about the following topics: specific countries or continents, things to do, restaurants to visit, transportation options, and so forth. Families, solo female travelers, digital nomads, and other specific types of travelers are all welcome. Flights, hotels, and vacation packages are all available at discounted prices. Making money from your own travels can be made easier if you have a key theme or brand in mind. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.